Hey, welcome back to another Kokoro Kompas video. It's Christmas today. I'm not sure when this video will go up, so Merry Christmas, a late Merry Christmas. But yeah, we're gonna have a nice Christmas day at the Aquarium. We're heading to Osaka right now and gonna see some nice fish and penguins and all that stuff. The train is just here, so let's hop inside. So we have arrived in Osaka. We're near the aquarium. It's a little bit countryside-ish here. It's on the edge of Osaka, but I do gotta say, after being in Kyoto for a month, I miss the city. I'm a little bit hungry though, so I'm gonna head to 7-Eleven to get a little snack. I was thinking of going for the classic old pizza bun. I love pizza bun, but I went for this delicious toast instead. It's really good and it's only like $1. That's good. And apparently there's also Legoland here and a huge Ferris wheel. We're not here to see Lego though. We're here to see fish. So there is a lot to do here. I thought there was only an aquarium, but there is giant Ferris wheel. That's actually literally what it says. There's a marketplace. The aquarium, of course. Look, there's a big fish here. The Little Mermaid. Ooh, we need to see that, Mariko. And you can even go to USJ. Kind of a interesting area. A lot of things to do. And they even have a trash box. That's really rare in Japan. Amazing. We made it inside the aquarium and I can see the first animals here. Let's be a little bit quiet, not disturb them too much. Beautiful. So we arrived at the first section. It's a tunnel full of Homo sapiens. Oh, and there's fishes here too. Like this guy. So this aquarium is split up into multiple categories. Here we go into the forest. I'm not sure why. I came to see fish, not to see a forest. So this is called Japan Forest and there's a lot of people here. I wonder what we can see here. Apparently it's an otter. He seems to be a little bit camera shy though. So let's move on to the next section. I was kinda surprised how many other animals there are here. I just expected to see a lot of fish and marine mammals, but there's a lot of interesting other animals here. Apparently this one does a big flapping. And look at this guy. He's enjoying life right now. This guy looks extremely snobby, but with a mustache like that, I don't blame him. That's a mustache Mario would be jealous of. I gotta say though, they don't really have the best table manners. They don't even chew their food, they just swallow it whole. They are very cute though. Just look at them, how squishy they are. I want to squish them, but let's leave them alone and let's say goodbye as they swim away majestically. There are a lot of people here though, and they all came to see this strange animal. I have no clue what this is, but yeah, he's so cool. Look at that nose. That's awesome. And apparently he is the Spider-Man of the animal kingdom. Look at him go. Spider-Man would be jealous of these climbing skills. And here's everyone's favorite, the capybara. So some madman put a capybara here together with piranhas. That seems a little bit cruel. He doesn't seem too bothered though, the capybara. These next animals are literally very cool. Now there's just something funny about penguins. The way they stand, the way they woggle. And it looks kind of cool when they're swimming underwater. Looks like they're actually just flying underwater. And here we have dolphins. I don't know what this one is doing, but it's majestic. Oh wait, it's actually pooping. Pooping majestically. But seriously though, dolphins, iruka, they are amazing. It's still on my bucket list to swim together. I hope I can do that on a future trip. Some of these scenes are so beautiful, so magical. The fish kind of looks like they're glowing, and then there's all the roots from the trees. Looks like Avatar, Way of Water. Yeah, this aquarium has a lot of beautiful sights. Here's the whale shark with a bunch of other fish. There's also some hammerheads swimming here. Really beautiful to see. And look at this manta ray, he's just flying through the water. Reminds me of Mario 64. So that's it for our little adventure under the sea. It was really nice. It's like you're actually in the sea with fish around you. Really magical. Nice. Christmas Day. And of course we cannot miss out on the gift shop. One of the most fun things. They have this strange elephant fish. And the whale shark is so cute. Japanese designs are always super cute. I love it. And it's so soft too. So which one was your favorite, guys? I kind of like the otter. Just too bad they're so smelly. And the capybara. Capybara is nice too. I wonder if it's as soft as this one. So that was our aquarium viewing for Christmas. And what do Japanese people do for Christmas? They eat KFC. We're not gonna do that. But they do watch illumination, lighting stuff. There's a lot of nice things here that we're going to. Osaka Nakanoshima. And there's supposed to be really beautiful illumination, projection mapping. So let's head there now. I think first we'll check out this marketplace over here. Maybe they will have something nice there. Now this is my kind of shop. Shinobi shop. They have shuriken. I watched a lot of Naruto, so I know everything about Shinobi. They also have kunai from Naruto. Oh, that is so cool. And you might think this is some sort of dangerous weapon, but it's an umbrella. They also have a lot of katana. Look at that. Be careful though, there might be dangerous ninjas lurking anywhere. Really cool food court here with kind of retro style Japanese shops. It's really cool. I didn't know this was here, but yeah, that's a really nice surprise. Look at this. They have a lot of delicious looking food here. I think we're gonna get our meal here. Ooh, look at that. But I also feel like eating katsudon. So I went for the katsudon, the extra big size, but I'm gonna say it's not as big as I'd hoped. It's alright, just alright. Now that was a very disappointing Katsudon. Oh well, at least the little street was nice. And now we're gonna make our way to the illumination.
次は本町です。御堂筋線、四ツ橋線はお乗り換えです。出口は右側に変わります。
It's quite a walk to the illuminations, but we can enjoy these night Osaka streets. I want to see more of Osaka. We made it to the illumination. There's annoying loud music, but there is a Christmas tree and there is some sort of light installation there. And there are some Christmas stalls for a Christmas market over there. Let's go there now. I have no clue what this is, but I'm not very impressed so far by the illumination. Let's hope there's some better stuff that way. So I gotta be honest, the illuminations were a tiny bit disappointing. This projection mapping is pretty cool, but not very Christmassy. I guess, yeah, Christmas in Europe is just better than in Japan. Sorry Japan, you cannot be the best at everything. So what else did we do on Christmas? We went to the shrine. It's supposed to give you good luck to get lots of money in the future. And who doesn't like money? So I did my best and hopefully it will work out. So thanks for watching this Christmassy video. I did my best to edit it very quickly for you guys. And I hope you had a Merry Christmas. Bye bye.